Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to select the display mode on the AccuWeather application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the three lines at the upper left corner of the screen and go to the settings button. Here you can find the third option, the display mode, and here you can choose light, dark or black mode. And for example, I select the black and just click that and on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.